Hello, I love you. Today I'm going to show you how to peel a banana. Now, peeling a banana is an extremely serious subject, which I take very seriously. And I will show you the ropes for the peels. So, watch carefully and you may learn something along the way. First, we need to wash it. We can't do this with a dirty banana. So come on. Let's wash this banana. Now you want to wash it carefully. It is a banana after all. So first you want to roll up your sleeves so you're out of the danger zone. Turn on the water. Ooh, yes. Give it a little spritz of soap there, and that's right. And give it a nice washing. Ooh. Oh, careful. Okay, look it. My sleeve fell down. Don't panic. Just carefully take it and pull it back up. There we go. And then continue with your washing. I say just hot water. It actually works out pretty well. Yeah. After all this, ooh. No, after you've washed it, get the water off. Shake it nice and dry. This may take a while. It's still a little bit wet. Oh God! Ah, there we go. I got scared. This may take a long time actually before it'll be completely dry just by air. But air is the purest way to dry something, you know. Okay everyone, we just washed our bananas. Now we have our pot of boiling water. Now, banana plus pot of boiling water equals hairy chest. Get a fork. Now, what you want to do is puncture the banana around here, there, and there. And maybe one right there, just for good measure. Now that the banana has little holes everywhere so it can breathe, now we can place it in our pot of boiling water for about 3 hours is usually good, but for this demonstration, I'll only do 4. Woo, that was... Okay, now we wait. Okay, now that the heat is off and we've waited after 5 hours, we scoop our banana up very carefully and place it on our plate that must be blue. Now we drain any excess water. There we go. And now let's peel it. Well, here we go. All that's left is to take a knife very carefully and peel it. Now it's very mushy right now. Ooh, and hot, so be careful. And you usually want to start around where the stem is and start peeling. Oops, see, we're getting a little bit of peel going here. So keep going at it. There we go. See? Now it's opened. Now we can open up the banana. Ooh, look at all that banana-y goodness. Banana. Okay. See? Your banana should look something like this. You see it? Good. Now, whoops, I need a spoon. Fetch me a spoon. Thank you, Derek. I mean, John. Now, what you need to do is take the banana and make sure you get it all in one scoop. There. What a hefty bite. Now, bask in your achievement. It's been a long day. Time to enjoy it. I can't eat it! It smells so bad. I've been trying not to regurgitate in front of this. Come on! Come on! I can't! It's on the camera! I
Don't do it. It's not safe. I told you.